Today in this video, we're going to learn how to connect Airtable automatically with N10 or any AI agentic platform. We've made a lot of videos which go into detail about making complex workflows. But all of you messaged and asked me that you want to see the basics, how to connect, how to get different tokens, access tokens, OAuth tokens in different softwares and connect them with N10. So this is a basic tutorial, but one of the most important ones because nobody targets this and nobody mentions this. This is something which is left in every video that is out there. So first of all, now we go inside this workflow. As you can see, right now we have got N10 with the first execute and then search records from Airtable. And here on the right, we are going to click on Airtable and we're going to see different actions and different records, search record, get record, delete record. All of this information is out there. So you can automatically create different records. As everybody knows, here you also see create new credentials. So you can connect using two different methods. One of the method is access token and one is OAuth 2. And if you're doing access token, make sure you enable the following scopes for your token. So these scopes are really important: data, record, reads. This is while setting up the different scopes for the access token that we are creating inside Airtable. We have to ensure that we give these scopes. Without this, there's going to be a bug. It's not going to work out. This is significantly important. So that's why now we are going to go and we are going to check inside Airtable how to create any of these credentials. Before we jump into this, I wanted to show you this database. This database has information. You can call it like a Google Sheet or you could call it a database. That's the power of Airtable. It's an execution engine, but also a database, and you can set everything up, all of these different things there. Now we are going to go and try to see where we found the auth token, builder hub. I'm not sure, but we could just go to OAuth personal access token. As you could see, once we are here, we can create token. Once you click on create token, this name will be visible in revision history. You have to provide it a specific name. We are just going to call it N10. And remember the time when we mentioned about the scopes, those are the scopes that we have to copy. Data, records, read. We're just going to go there and we're going to data, records, read. We found it. Then we're going to go here and we are also going to add the second one and we are going to add the schema base read. Yeah, that was the one. And if we have all three of these, then we can just create a token, or maybe we have to add a base. Yeah, we're going to add a base. Okay, we have to assign which workspace is it going to be connected to. So yeah, we connected it to the automation workspace inside Airtable. You could also add multiple bases, as we can see, and you can also connect it with different resources. So now access token has been created. Important that you just save it because you're going to have access to it only once. So we're just going to copy here and we are going to go inside N10 and we are going to click on access token and we are just going to save it there. Once we add this, this is also the name that we could just change any name and set any name. Then we are going and saving all of this. This is saved. You have access to it only once. Now we go here and we set up resource, record, operation. We want to search now. Okay, let's go with search, where we are searching inside a record, and obviously we are going to go inside automation. There we've got John Edward. This is how it looks like, and we're just going to click on search, and then from that list, which is the automation list, as you saw this list there, we're just going to add the automation link, and there we've got multiple tables. Obviously every base has a lot, but we've got contacts here. And we are gonna add this from list, choose, and we're gonna choose contacts. Return all is also there, and then execute step. Let's try it out. Let's try how the execution works like. And obviously all the three records are, we got them, but we got errors, as you can see. We've got many different errors with ID. Maybe just that value was the one which was not accessible. Oh yeah, we got the names properly. So obviously we got the state as error, but all the other information, we got it really properly there. So that is great. So we saw it here that at least execute workflow works, search record works. We could obviously test it out on any of these other Airtable because there are so many actions and so many triggers which are out there. But for the search record, it completely and successfully worked for us. So yeah, this is exactly how you connect Airtable with Airtable directly with N10. You can connect it to any agentic platforms which are out there. As you know, even ChatGPT, OpenAI has come up with their own N10 competitor agentic platform, workflow platform, whatever you want to call it. So this is exactly how you'd connect with all of them. Just go get access token or auth taken from Airtable, provide different scopes, and then you have it. And through this, you can create records, you can search for records, and you can use N10 from N10, you can connect to Airtable for searching and also as a database. So this is excellent. I hope you liked it. Like the video, like and subscribe because it helps with the algorithm. If you want us to implement AI in your business, check out the link below. Just set up a meeting with me. And if you want more tutorials, just message me because we're going to be creating a lot of tutorials and going into detail about all of these AI agents because it's the best topic which is out there. Ciao.